In this video, we'll learn how to create area line chart in Tableau. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. And basically, area line chart, it is an advanced chart which is created by using the dual axis. So for creating this chart, I'll take the subcategory and I'll drop it onto the column shell. And then I'll take the discount and drop it onto the row shell. So now we can see our basic simple bar chart is ready. And I'll make it as an entire view. And after that, I'll take again the discount measure and I'll drop it onto row shelf just right side of our first field. So now we can see now our two bar chart is ready, which is basically the both are the same chart. And as we can see on the mark shelf, there is now three options. One is all, which is represent the whole chart, and second one is sum of discount, which is the upper chart, and the second is the second sum of discount is the lower chart. So what I'll just do now, uh, I'll right click on the axis and I'll select the dual axis, and then after that I'll again right click on the chart and click on synchronize axis. So now we can see the both of the chart has been combined. But now making the area line chart, what I'll just do, I'll go to the upper chart, which is this sum of discount. I'll click on this drop down and then select the line, and then I'll go to the second chart and then I'll click on the drop down and then select the area. So now here we can see the area line chart has been ready. So we can see now the upper chart is representing as a line and the lower chart is represented as an area. And for labeling it, we can just directly drag and drop our subcategory onto the label and the discount onto the label. So now we can see the each of the subcategory is now showing onto our chart, and also as well as the discount. And if you want to show the another field, like you want to show the profit of each subcategory, and drag the profit measure and drop it onto the label. After that, we can see now the profit of each subcategory is now showing onto our label. So this is how we can create the area line chart in Tableau. Thank you.